Hello, I'm a stake indexing director, and today I want to show you how to index the U.S. Delaware Birth Certificates project in FamilySearch Indexing. The images all look like this. They're just individual birth certificates. They are mostly handwritten, although so far the handwriting has been pretty good to read, so it's not that difficult. I'll just go ahead and index one of these for you so you see what to do. So for the page number, we are told to take this number here, or sometimes it might be just stamped or written up in the corner. So in this case it's 4339. The certificate number is what would be on this line where it says registered number. On this certificate there's nothing there, so I'm going to have to blank that like this. Okay, birth county, we find that here, Sussex. Then we have the birth city. Here is Seaford. And sometimes there will be different levels of localities written in. In Delaware they have what's called hundreds or village, and so you always want to take the largest locality. So city, if that's written, and then or village if that were written. Okay, Delaware, that's on all of these. It says at the top, state of Delaware. Then we have the child's name, that's here on this line. Louise Catherine in this case. Then the surname is Jefferson. Titles or terms, there's nothing here for this one, so we'll skip that. The gender is here. We just need a single letter for the gender. The race or ethnicity, in this project, it's a type what you see field. It says here in the field help, if it was abbreviated, index what was written. So if it just said W, for example, for white, you would simply index W. There are two types of birth certificates that I've seen so far, and one type has the ethnicity of the child and one type doesn't. So this particular type of birth certificate doesn't. You can scroll around and see, but it has for the parents, but it doesn't have for the child. So again, this one gets blanked. Okay, birth date is over here, month October 19, and then 1929. The father's name is here in this case, David Jefferson, and the mother's name is over here, Carrie, looks like Willen. Okay, and on this type of birth certificate, again I mentioned there are two types, and on this type, at the bottom, it also has very often a parent's signature. And so here the parent has signed Carrie Jefferson, so we need to add Jefferson to her name as well. And I see that she spelled her name differently here. Okay, so it's C-A-R-R-Y up here and C-A-R-R-I-E down here. We need to index both of those. And on this birth certificate, the name of the child is not filled out here, so we have it up at the top. But I've also seen where there have been two different spellings for the name of the child here and here. And in one case, the name of the child was only filled out down here and not at the top. So please do make sure that you scroll around the entire birth certificate and take the information from all of the fields. Okay, and that's all there is to it. This one is now done, and I would go on to the next one. Here we see an example of a birth certificate which is crossed out and it has void written across it. We still index this just as if, just as a normal one. Okay, so we don't say no extractable data. This just gets indexed in the normal manner. Okay, that's it. So I hope you have fun with this project, and thank you for watching.